Here we are in Cortland, Ontario, population around 700 people. And we're at Cadman Farm Manufacturing Irrigation Equipment. And this plant has 3 shifts, employs approximately 90 people, lots of customers in South America, lots of customers throughout the United States, Canada. And they're growing very rapidly, and they're in the irrigation business, and it shows the innovation, because I want to emphasize that as Canadians, we don't just sell product, we sell knowledge. You'll see the quality that's being produced, and it's that quality and knowledge that is embedded within the equipment going all over the world that I think is a great story.
Cadman's been in the village of Cortland, which is approximately 700 people, since the 1800s. Started off in the farming community, and since the early 1900s been in manufacturing. So in 1952, my grandfather left his father's business. He decided he wanted to go out on his own, and he started a small irrigation and power equipment business. We service the local area, mostly tobacco farmers, with irrigation. And then in 1957, we took on the Ford tractor franchise, and we were with Ford for 30 years. So my grandfather Wes sold the business to my father Wayne in 1969. And then by 1982, my father Wayne began manufacturing equipment here. Mainly it was the irrigation hard hose travelers is what he started to focus on. So in 1982, we built the first 3 machines. In 1983, we built 12. And then by 1992, we were the largest manufacturer of irrigation hard hose travelers in North America. So as sales progressively got better and better, we expanded our facilities. So we've had 4 expansions since 1990. And then in 2000, we decided to get heavier into the liquid manure industry. This is probably a good 50% of what we do. So how this works is that we can provide a solution to take the manure from the lagoon to the field, all the equipment in between. So yeah, in 1952, my grandfather Wes built a building that was 40 by 60, and that was office, showroom, parts room, and a service shop. And today, we're now up to 85,000 square feet, with planned expansion to take us over 120,000 square feet.
Yep. Okay, so what we have here in our fab shop is the latest in technology with laser cutters. This one has been with us for a couple of years. We've done some fantastic work for it, couldn't keep up, but now we have a brand new cutter here, a laser machine again, very, very advanced. On the far left, what you see over there is a big brake operation. We bend all our own steel and manufacture it as per our needs. See, it a very nice smooth edge. It just smooths it out beautifully.
Cadman Power Equipment has a strategy that we want to be diverse in 3 areas: diverse in product, diverse in industry, and diverse in geography. So with the product, one of the things that we did was we went from irrigation and then added manure. On top of that, we've added things like the diesel pump sets, building them ourselves. Having strategic alliances with good name companies like John Deere, Kubota, Cornell, and Caprari. These are great companies that we work with that make sure that our product is well supported throughout the irrigation and manure industry. On top of that is diversification in industry. You know, whether it's agricultural irrigation, turf irrigation, manure for ag. We can also get into things like water transfer in the oil and gas industry, mining and dewatering, industries like that. The other area where we're trying to be diverse is, of course, geography. We want to be just more than a North American supplier. We are now an international supplier. Countries like Mexico, El Salvador, Chile, Russia, Norway. These are all countries that we supply equipment to, and it's continually growing. We started off selling our manufactured product just locally. That allowed us to get our feet wet. But we always knew that we could take it further.